Hey, it's Coach Rick here, Flip Mastery. Today we're going to talk a little bit about project management. Now, in leading up to the time when you actually get the house, you should already have a game plan kind of set down. What's going to happen first, what's going to happen second, and you are going to lead the team, the contractor, the helpers. You're going to tell them exactly what you need done, when you want it done, how you want it done. And then honestly, the best thing to do is get the heck out of there. Let them do their job. As long as kind of the boss is hanging around, they feel uncomfortable. But make sure that you have a very clear plan on what you want done and when they're supposed to do it and in what order. Now, if you aren't as familiar with the renovation process, you might rely also on your main general contractor or the main guy. But between the two of you, what you should really do is start a storyboard. And all of the things that need to be done in the project, they need to be managed. Write them down on a big piece of Bristol board. Take a nail or something, stick it to the wall. As the stuff gets done, as the projects, the mini projects get done as you go along, have your general contractor either check it off or put a line through it, something like that. That gives them also many goals to work for. What's next? Well, we're going to do this. Anyway, a little bit about project management. I thank you so much. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch, and that'll do it for today. Thanks a lot.